Whew. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks. Back in another video, and today we're looking at the MorePRO Fitness Tracker. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca and make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at MorePRO Fitness Tracker. So basically, we're gonna unbox this today. We're gonna show you all the features as well and show you if it's any good or not. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. It says here in the box, this is basically from MorePRO. I'll link this down below as well if you want to get one yourself. There's also a MorePRO app on the back here where we can scan from our phone and download that app. It says here that it has a BP monitor, blood oxygen, just like the Apple Watch Series 6 there. It has a heart rate monitor, ECG, and pedometer. So let's go ahead and look at this. Ooh. That's it for that. The actual tracker right here, pretty good. There's the service card. Let's look at the service card right here. Look at that, eh? Gold. Black and gold. Look at that. Pretty good. Here you could see the user manual. It says here, thank you for choosing MorePRO smartwatch. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via Amazon. It's pretty good. Right on. Boom. Here is the instruction manual as well. There you go. Good for Android and iPhone as well. Pretty good. Let's put that on the side for now. And then there's another one right here. I believe this is the extra watch band right there. Boom. Got the black version right here. And then this one is the purple version. So that's pretty good. Boom. Boom. I kind of like the purple version. I'm going to check that out and see which one we got. Let's put that on the side. We don't need that anymore. You can go ahead and take off the sticker right here. To install the band, you can just put it like that, like so. Boom. Real easy. It just sucks right in. And you're good to go. Just like that. And then if you want to put it on, it's real easy. Just like a normal watch. Stick that in right there. And like so. And you're good to go. You can also have a different band right here. Take it off, it's pretty easy. You could just pull it a little bit snug, so just carefully just take that out like that, and then you can put in the other band. There you go, boom. Real easy to use, of course, that's pretty good. And like that. And then to put it on, of course, there you go. And boom, we're done. So to be able to charge this, what you need to do is take one of the straps off, and that will go to the USB charger just like that. And then you would just plug this in. Now let's go ahead and download the app. What you need to do is take out the user manual right here, open your camera like so, and then open up the App Store. Boom, let's get this, MorePRO. Once you're done downloading the app, press open. Notification, sure, let's do that. Bluetooth, sure. It says here related fitness data, personal protection guidelines. Let's just go I know. And then let's go ahead and sign up. Let's punch in our credentials right here. Once you're ready to go ahead and log in. There you go. Please make sure you turn on the Bluetooth on the cell phone. That is okay, sure. Let's go ahead and look for this. Sure, V19 right away. Is able to find it. Yes, pair. Boom. Now let's put in our birthday. There you go. And then gender. There you go. Date of birth. Boom. We're about 5'9"-ish, 5'10". The pounds is 226. Let's go up all the way down here. Let's just go 230. A little easier right there. Skin color. Oh yeah, this is important right here. Boom. I'm about that color right there. Boom. My goal every day, let's just go with 5,700 calories. Sure. 500. Boom. Sleep cycle, let's go with 6. Sure. So let's look at the push reminders right here. I like how they have different options as well. It's not just one thing. But we're gonna go with call and then SMS, of course. And then let's go with Instagram and then Facebook. The rest we don't really actually need. So maybe we will go with the Gmail right there. That's pretty good. Boom. Auto detection, heart rate detection, boom, sure. Automatic BP detection, sure, let's do that. And there you go. Here we're looking at the app. It'll show you the steps here, the hours, and also when you click it, you'll see the calories that you've burned and how many hours you've been working out. If you scroll down the steps right here, it'll show you the brief information on your steps. If you want to click it and see more information, you'll be able to see that right here. All the data, even the percentage on achievement today, and then days, steps, distance, and consumption. You can show all data right here from different days and the history. And then throughout the week right here, it's pretty good, and even through the month from the whole history that you had the tracker. You can also modify the goal settings right here for those of you who are crazy on working out. So there's a lot more information there. Here you can see the sleep as well. It'll show you how many sleeps you get every night and the total duration of when you fell asleep, woke up, and got up in the middle of the night. There's also, like I said earlier, the different information from this week, this month, and also the duration of when you had your tracker. The heart rate as well, it'll show you right here, brief information up here. And then if you want different days, you could just click this. Let's see from yesterday and then the other day and then and so on. And then here, this is going to show you the resting heart rate right here. And then it'll show you all the data as well, different history, different dates right there you can change. That's pretty good. Heart rate scope right there. It'll show you the information. Maybe you have you can turn on the heart rate cap reminder right there. And then the heart rate limit is 169. I don't usually get that. If I do get that, then it gets pretty bad. Usually I get up to 149-ish for endurance workout. I never really get, even with my extreme workouts at times, I never really get to 150, so that's pretty good. Let's go back. This one is my BP. It'll show you as well. I like how they have different information as well for working out and for your health, and most people don't really realize what they have and what's going on in their heart rate even. So I like how they included all this here. There's also the heart health index right here, and it'll show you if you're abnormal, mild, or normal. It even has the Lorentz scatter diagram right here. Look at that. For those of you who know how to read that, go ahead and comment that below because I have no idea. They have the SpO2 right here, which is the blood oxygen data right here with the SpO2. It's pretty good. This is the hypoxia wake up. If you know what that is, comment that below as well. I am not a doctor or anything like that. I have no idea what that is. They also have ECG. Let's go ahead and test out. Let's do a test on myself here on the ECG. Wear the wristband on your left wrist. Place your arms flat on the table or your thighs, and your right fingers on the electrode pad. Okay, I know. Let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Let's just go test one. Save. That's pretty good. On our ECG details here, it says that my average heart rate is 76 BPM, which is pretty good for resting BPM. QT interval is 419 millisecond, and HRV is 7 millisecond. And then if you have no idea what those are, you can also read what this is. Look at this, a medical explanation All the information that you need for all this is written right here, so that's pretty good. So 230 pounds, it says here that it's overweight for my height and age. So what we could do here is, let's say we can do, it says here that I need to be around 167 to be normal. Let's go with, let's see, have a goal here. Let's just test it out. What if I go with 200? It's just easier to be at 200 right there. Boom. When I was 200 pounds, I was actually really small. I got down to like 170, and I felt I looked like I was sick, so I didn't really like that weight. So I just kept myself at around in between 200 to 230, and that is my that is kind of like where my sweet spot weight is. Anything lower than that, it just gets really small and I look sickly, so I don't like that. That's pretty good. I do lift some weights as well, so the weight doesn't really translate to what I look like. Yeah, I seem to be heavier than normal people, so that's all right. And there you go. Let's look at the watch here as well. Let's see, look at the settings here. So many settings that you can use here. You can even have a sedentary reminder. Let's turn that on as well. There's a brightness adjustment right there where you can raise it higher like that. That's pretty good. Bright screen duration. Let's go with maybe 8 seconds. Now, depending on if you have it on all the time, then and if the brightness is too high, then it would also use up more battery, so be careful with that. Watch face style you can change right here. Maybe you want a different style like this, boom, or maybe something big. But yeah, I like that. It's pretty good. And there's also lock screen automatically. Maybe we don't want that. There's an alarm as well that you can add whenever you want to wake up. There's a countdown as well when you want to use a timer. Stopwatch. Rotate wrist to take photo. There you go. That's pretty cool, right? So you can use it as a clicker right there. Pretty good. There's also the private BP mode where you can turn on and off. Switch settings right here, where it has the find cell phone, where you can use your tracker to find your cell phone. That's pretty good. There's also the blood oxygen night monitoring, and then the scientific sleep. There you go. It's pretty good. Low consumption mode, make sure you turn that on so your battery lasts longer. The other thing that the V19, see right there, I got a message. So see right there, I got a message, so I get to see it on the watch. On the app as well, if you are looking at this, there's also the exercise part right here, where you can start different exercises. So here there's run, indoor run, there's ride, and then there's plank. So let's just go try plank and start exercise right there. It's all part of the app too. You don't need to pay anything to do this. So here it'll do a timer for the plank, so that's pretty good. There you go. Did a 12-second plank right there. A lot of options here that you can use, and then it will show you the data as well of what exercise you've done. That's pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on the information for the V12 MorePRO fitness tracker. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come of unboxing just like this one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Share this to your friends who are maybe looking for a fitness tracker. If you have any questions, I'll see you at the comments below. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.